Morning. No real problems out there. The satellite and radar are clear. So most of the area, as the sun comes up within the next hour, going to see a lot of sunshine with no rain on the radar. But there's one little hiccup as you head out the door, and that is a bit of patchy fog that is starting to form. Our conditions are very warm and muggy, and those temperatures and dew points that are matching, that's leading to a bit of the patchy fog. 3 miles in Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte. This might start to slow you down a little bit. So if you are headed north on I-75 into Sarasota County, or you're commuting around the Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte area, you might want to give yourself an extra couple minutes to get where you're going. 4 miles of visibility in Arcadia as well. 6 for our inland spots. We are dropping a little bit inland, but at this point, 6 miles, you'll still be able to get where you're going just fine this morning. So I'll keep my eye on it, let you know if these numbers drop even more. But for now, I think it's just Charlotte, DeSoto, Sarasota County that'll want to give yourself a little extra time to get where you're going. Temperatures are warm and conditions are muggy. Right now, we're in the upper 70s for most of us, mid 70s for Naples at 75, same for Golden Gate. Comparing that to yesterday, we're actually a degree cooler in Golden Gate and Naples, but Charlotte, DeSoto County is running about 2 degrees warmer. The difference maker this morning is that higher dew point. We are back to dew points not just in the 70s, but mid to upper 70s through portions of the area. So that is a bit of a difference as compared to the past couple of days, and enough of a difference that you notice the muggy conditions as you head out the door. It was so nice to see dew points backing off into the 60s over the weekend. Fortunately, just didn't last too long. So we're back to that oppressive humidity this morning in the mid 70s. We'll bounce between low to mid 70s this afternoon, so very humid or downright oppressive. It is going to feel certainly summer-like out there today, not just in humidity, but also heat. We're talking near record highs as we head into this afternoon under a lot of sunshine, mostly sunny skies for the majority of us, and that's what we'll see this morning as well for the areas not seeing some of that patchy fog and haze. And once that clears, sunny skies. A few clouds will pass through this afternoon. Rain chances not completely eliminated from the forecast, but we're not looking at much. Best chance is going to be further south, and even there, chances are isolated 20% or less. So a few hit or miss showers can't be completely ruled out, but we don't expect widespread rain today. The majority of us going to stay dry, sunny, hot and humid well into this afternoon. Planning forecast showing the sunny skies through the first part of today. Highs are going to heat quickly into the upper 80s, low 90s under a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon hours. Mainly dry through this evening. Rain chances 20% or less, but that also means that we'll stay warm well into this evening without that rain-cooled air to bring us a little relief. 4-city forecast showing 92 for Placida, Alva, 91 in Chokoloskee and Estero. Record highs are possible today with the standing record in both Fort Myers and Naples near 92, and our forecast high today near 92. So it is going to be a warm one, and we don't see any relief through the next 7 days. We're going to stick with the warmer than average conditions, but it looks like we could get a weak front as we head into the next 2 weeks. So we'll be watching that. Ingman Marine boating forecast showing winds today at 10 knots, offshore seas 2 feet or less with a light chop on the inland water. And again, above average temperatures continue this week with highs in the low 90s, average is 87. So we're a bit above it, but we'll see plenty of sunshine today and tomorrow. Lisa.